Day 3. We are currently doing the mounts for the car. We are pretty bloody close actually. The driver side's all but done. Just got to weld top to bottom now. We have spent a lot of time getting the motor in. We weren't happy with how it was. The pinion angles were terrible. They were like 5.5 degrees, so we've got them down to just under 4 now, which is nice. We had to change sump to do it, so we've gone for a nice Morosso Wanky competition sump there. We've got the engine down another 30 odd mil from where we had it with the standard Commodore sump. Yeah, so we're actually really close now. By the end of the day we'll have engine mounts done, trans cross member done, and then it is starting on the ancillaries. So starting extractors, power steering, delete, alternator mounting. Perry's over in the background doing the engine, so that's being built as we speak. We've currently just got the dummy set up in here now. Yeah, it's good. We're close. So by the end of by tomorrow afternoon, we'll have engine box done, engine to be assembled, do final measure of tail shaft so we can have that modified. Loom is being done in the background. That'll be ready Thursday next week. We just have to really modify the fuel tank. We're there.